Lamma Island is the third largest island in Hong Kong, covering approximately 13.55 square kilometers. It boasts rugged coastlines, sandy beaches, and rocky shorelines, providing stunning views and diverse ecosystems. The island is also characterized by hilly terrain, with its highest peak, Mount Stenhouse, reaching 353 meters above sea level. Here you can find fishing boats, temples, old houses, gorgeous coastal water for you to swim or snorkel in, and very yummy delicacies you can savor. What you cannot find are fast food restaurants, nor can you find big supermarkets, not even your usual convenience store like 7-Eleven. What you'll also discover are scenic hiking trails to walk, and yet you'll pretty much have to rely on your feet all the time as there are no taxis. In fact, you need a permit to drive there. Sounds like a place you would like to explore? Hi, this is Nataliedrewy. Today we're going to unravel the secrets of this captivating destination, discover its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe and like buttons so that you can stay updated with my upcoming adventures. Yuanshu Ferry Pier is the primary gateway to Lamma Island, connecting it to central Hong Kong via regular ferry services. Established in the mid-20th century, the pier has played a vital role in the island's development, facilitating trade and tourism. Historically, it served as a bustling hub for local fishermen and traders, reflecting the island's maritime culture. Unlike the frenetic pace of Hong Kong Island, Lamma Island exudes a calm and relaxed vibe. The absence of cars and the presence of friendly locals create a peaceful environment, perfect for unwinding and escaping the urban cacophony. In case you missed it, I previously explored the stunning Sok Kuk Wan hiking trail on Lamma Island, where breathtaking views and lush landscapes await. This trail is a must-see for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Be sure to check out that video to discover all the hidden gems along the way and get inspired for your next outdoor adventure. We're at Lamma Island today. Originally inhabited by the tanker fishing community, the island was known for its fishing and agriculture. Over time, it became a refuge for those seeking a quieter lifestyle away from the bustling city of Hong Kong. In the late 20th century, Lamma began to attract a more diverse population, including expatriates and artists, drawn by its scenic beauty and laid-back lifestyle. Today, it is a blend of old and new, where traditional Chinese culture coexists with a more modern, eco-friendly community. Yeongsoo-won Main Street is the main artery of Lamma Island, showcasing a mixture of traditional and modern influences. Historically, it developed as a fishing village, serving local fishermen and their families, with shops and eateries catering to their needs. I got some goodies. I got these chocolates, and I got these apricots, and some mandarins, dried mandarins. Nice. The Tinhao Temple in Yeongsoo-won is one of the oldest temples on Lamma Island, dedicated to the sea goddess Tinhao, who protects local fishermen and sailors. Its history dates back to the 19th century, reflecting the maritime culture and beliefs of the local community. Some herbal tea at the herbal tea store, and you can only pay with cash. This is their own homemade herbal tea, sold in a bottle. My one is that one. Okay. And got this one. Let's try some herbal tea. It's not too bitter. It's actually it's chilled and it's less sweet. Very strong osmanthus flavors, and it has coffee, so I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. like, and subscribe. Established in the 1970s, Tofu Garden Apo Tofu Fa began as a small family-run business drawing on traditional recipes passed down through generations. It is a beloved local eatery on Lamma Island, renowned for its silky tofu pudding known as Tofu Fa. We are now gonna try a tofu pudding. Even though it's winter and freezing today at 13 degrees, but having a cold tofu pudding works when you walked 10k steps. Lamma Island is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. In addition to hiking, visitors can engage in kayaking, swimming, and even snorkeling. The clear waters and vibrant marine life offer a refreshing change from city life. Heyyy Beach is one of the most popular beaches on Lamma Island, known for its soft sand and family-friendly amenities. Historically, the beach was named after Heyyy, the god of the sea, reflecting the island's fishing heritage and cultural beliefs. Lamma Power Station Beach is located near the Lamma Power Station. Because from the beach you can see the three tall chimneys of the power plant, hence the name Lamma Power Station Beach. This power plant began operations in the late 1970s. Originally, the area was primarily industrial, but later, the beach was developed as a recreational space for both locals and visitors seeking relaxation away from the city. Walking up this steep hill just to see a windmill. Apparently it's very Instagrammable and it's a landmark on Lamma Island. Lamma Wind Power Station was commissioned in 2006 and is Hong Kong's first commercial wind farm. The facility consists of 2 wind turbines which generate renewable energy to contribute to the city's electricity supply. The project was initiated as part of Hong Kong's efforts to diversify its energy sources and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Each turbine has a capacity of 800 kilowatts, collectively producing enough electricity to power about 1,500 households annually. Thanks for joining me on this amazing journey to Lamma Island. From the charming Yeongshu-wan ferry pier to the serene Heyyy beach, we've explored the island's rich history and fishing culture. Don't forget to savor the delicious tofu pudding at Unported Tofu Pho and soak in stunning views at Lamma Wind Power Station. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations. So see you soon and take care.